guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing on with our journey of using the Natasha Denona BIBA palette. I do have a few more looks that I want to do for you guys with this palette that I kind of have in mind, so we're going to be doing that today. I'm going to jump right into the tutorial, and I'm starting with a bare face, as you can see, because I don't want any fallout just in case there is any and I don't have to clean it up later. I've already gone ahead and primed with the Smashbox Photo Finish shadow primer, and I'm now just going to set this with my with a pressed powder. Any pressed powder is fine. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. You can use anything you want, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly. I really don't have any idea as to what I'm gonna do today, so I'm just gonna play around with this middle row in here, maybe dip into the top row, not sure, but I'm gonna start off with Buff. And I am picking this up on a Morphe E27 brush. And I'm going to apply this to my crease. Oh wow, that's actually really pigmented just on the first dip. I'm going to go in with Pasha. And I'm picking this up on a NYX shader brush. It's a flat shader brush. And I'm going to pack this onto the outer V. Yeah, the pigmentation on these guys is real, wow. I'm just taking that Morphe E27 brush and blending out the edges. I'm going to add a little bit of this Pasha shade to the mobile eyelid, just like so, because I kind of think I want to go for a semi-smoky eye. Oh, I really love how this looks, you guys. So I'm just taking a clean napkin and just wiping off my brush. The shade right here, it's called Tone. I'm picking this up on the same brush, obviously, and I'm going to put this in the inner portion of my eye. These colors are so buttery smooth. So I can't really describe this color. It's very close to Pasha, but it's a little bit more muted. So I'm going to go in with the shade here. It's called Rayon, and this I'm going to apply to the outer V as well, and into the crease. I don't think that made much of a difference. Like I said, they're both very similar. So next I'm going to pick up Monroe right here, apply that right here, just like that. I'm not taking this in all the way because I only want a little bit of shine just here in the inner corners. Alright guys, I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face, so BRB. Alright, so I'm going to use this pencil liner. This is from Sephora. It's called Aloha. It's like a brick red burgundy liner. And I'm just using a bit of it on the top. I'm going to pick up Rayon again, and then I'm just going to smudge out the bottom. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I ended up applying some brown liner to the bottom lash line because I wanted it to be a little bit more smoky and dark, and then I ended up adding these really dramatic eyelashes. These are from the House of Lashes Sephora collection. This is in the style Marigold, and they are wispy and fluffy and dense, and definitely there's a lot of drama here. And on the lips, I ended up going in with the NYX Suede lipstick. This is in the shade Free Spirit. So that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really like how this look turned out. Definitely something wearable, very partyish, very dramatic, and the colors again blended out really well. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing way more looks with this palette. So that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!